Guys, I welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Akobra here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to contact Pinduoduo customer support and solve any related issue as far as procurement and shipping from China using Pinduoduo is concerned. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe, click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation. And lastly but not the least, if you would like me to coach you or you want to be a procurement agent or you want to learn how you can procure without using agent, how you can ship successfully from China and some other country, you can decide to connect with me on WhatsApp to join my paid training if you have interest to learn further as far as importation business is concerned. Pinduoduo customer support and solve any procurement and shipping related issue on Pinduoduo platform. So let's get started. All right, so when you open up your Pinduoduo app, it looks this way. Just find your way to your profile. For you to access your profile, all you have to do is to make sure you click on here, right here. Then it take you right here. Then you have to scroll down and click on here, this page here. Then it open up into a new page like this. Now, at this page here, you might find it difficult to translate what is written right here, most especially if you are not a Chinese foreigners and you are trying to use different types of translation. It may not work because let me just try and show you what I'm trying to explain right here. You can see iDictionary does not work right here, but you need to understand some information here so that you will know which one is actually related to the problem you are looking for on Pinduoduo. So for you to translate this option right here, the best option for you is to make sure you screenshot this page. So I'm going to demonstrate it what I'm trying to explain right here. So when you screenshot this page, you have to take it to your WeChat account and translate it from Chinese character screenshot to English language. So let me head over to my WeChat account. So I want to believe that before you can use Pinduoduo app, you must have a WeChat account functioning. So right here, this is my WeChat. So I'm going to click on that. We are doing this just to understand what is really written in Chinese character. Alright guys, so when you open up your WeChat, you have to go to Discover. So when you get to Discover, you have to go to Scan right here. Then when you get to Scan, you have to come to Translate. Click on Translate right here. Translate right here. Click on that. Then when you click on Translate, you have to click on this camera, this picture icon. Click on here. Then you can take the screenshot from your phone album. Then it's going to prepare and scan it. You can see it on the screen right here. So WeChat is going to scan this Chinese character. Then you'll be able to understand what is written in English language. Okay, so let's see the result. Right here you can see at the top here, what do they mean right here is this place means request a refund. This place means expedite shipment. This place means check logistics. This place means apply for freight. This place means after sales dispute. This place means apply for a penalty. This place means apply merchant refund record. Okay, so those are the area at the top. Then at the bottom right here, this one is who will bear the cost of refund and exchange, request a refund, and a free single day introduction, how to deal with quality problem, etc. Now, if you are able to find any one of the related problem that you have on Pinduoduo from this option right here, you are good to go. But nevertheless, if what you have right here is not related to what exactly the problem you have in your Pinduoduo procurement and shipping, all you have to do is to click on here to chat the customer support live, and they're going to reply to your message. So let me show you how you can chat the customer support live on Pinduoduo app. So we have to go back right here. So you can see we are able to translate this page into English language. So now you can understand which area you need to click as regard to the issue you might have. So if you don't have anything solve from this option right here. All you have to do is to click down below here to speak with a customer representative live. But in this regard, you must have chat them up with in Chinese character, because most of this customer support, they don't understand English language. So when you click on the customer support live chat, it open up this way, so you can see it right here. So for you to initiate chat, all you have to do is to type in here and explain whatever issue you might have on Pinduoduo. Maybe you have issue with shipping company, with the local shipping. Maybe you have issue with the supplier. All you have to do is to make sure you state everything right here. Attach a proof of transaction between you or the supplier, or between you and the logistic company, and in less than 24 hours, customer service on Pinduoduo, they're going to review the report, and they're going to provide a sound they're going to provide a sound resolution to whatever problem you might have when you are trying to procure on the platform. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload interesting content about China importation and some other country procurement and shipping, you'll get notified, you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you like to join my paid training, you want me to coach you on step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want to procure by yourself without using agent, feel free to connect with me on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.